Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm very happy to see you because today I'm going to clean the caravan and I hope you will give me a hand. So here is my kit. I will give you a few tips and just show you how I like to do it. So if you would like to give me a hand, stick around, give this video a like and let's dive in. We absolutely love our caravan and it looks its best when it's clean, and today is a perfect day to do it. Here is the kit. I will need a ladder. I like to use a mop when I clean a caravan. Here is my absolute superstar, our mini hose on a reel, really good stuff. And we will use wet and forget on the roof. We will treat the roof with wet and forget. And I have a window cleaner, just home window cleaner for windows. And a few cloths, a bucket. That's the kit. So let's get on with it. We'll start with the roof. Maybe you're watching this video because you are getting ready to wash your own caravan for the first time and you're a bit worried about the process, products, and you obviously don't want to damage your van. I will be sharing my tips and my knowledge about treating your caravan gently as I go along. But for now, I will just tell you that it's not difficult, it's not hard. It's very similar to washing your car. So we will start with the roof, just like with the car. I will rinse the caravan from the top and work gradually my way down. Right, I hope you will give me a hand because this is a massive caravan to clean. I don't know how often you clean yours, but ours is definitely due a wash. We could be doing it a bit more often. Look at the state of the roof. I think we've done it in early spring. It's definitely been done after winter with wet and forget. But despite this, look, we have a bit of green stuff here and there. So we will be using wet and forget today again. And the trick with this is very, very simple. Wet and forget is a lovely product because you dilute it and you apply it on the surface and you leave it and then it does its magic. You may be wondering why I'm standing on the ladder. Well, I always use a ladder when I clean the roof of our caravan and I never stand on the roof. Even such a light person as me shouldn't really be standing or leaning against the roof because even my weight could damage the roof. So sometimes I see our neighbors pressure washing their caravans and walking on the roofs. I wouldn't do that. I don't know where you stand, whether you do that too, but I love our caravan too much and I paid for it too much to be treating it with either pressure washing or my weight on its roof. I think I've just discovered my favorite product for treating roof. I'm used to blue wet and forget, which you dilute 1 to 5 and you apply on surfaces and leave it. But this one has a fancy bottle. And look, you just plug in your hose and then you've got 3 options here: off, water and on, which means mixing water with your wet and forget here. And then you just, rinse your surface, saturate it with the product and leave it, which is lovely. You don't have to worry about proportions, about diluting stuff. Well, the only thing you have to worry about is your safety. It's a strong product and it does kill grass and anything green, so you want to be careful with this. It's also irritant to skin and eyes, so I'm going to get myself some PPE and I will start applying it on the roof. In seconds, I have most of my roof covered and saturated with wet and forget. Now I will let the sun do its job. That's the roof done and the awning as well. I will not need the ladder. I will not need wet and forget anymore, so I can remove my PPE and get on with cleaning the walls. And I like to clean them with a clean mop. What's your favorite technique? What tools do you use? Do you prefer a brush or a sponge? I usually start with a clean mop, and then I do little corners and nooks with a small brush. So that's my technique, and I finish with cleaning windows. Very pleased with this product, and the applicator, super, really good for cleaning your roof especially. So I used very little of this product, literally milliliters. Looking at this, I hardly used anything really. So I will leave you the link to the product in the comment under this video. A bit of a car shampoo, just like I said at the beginning. What product do you use for cleaning your Caravan? So that's my process. Rinse it first with clean water, then apply car shampoo with a mop and a brush for tricky areas, corners and so on. A sponge would also work well. Maybe you prefer to use a sponge. In a minute I'm going to rinse this wall and clean the windows, and that will be the job done. And once all the walls and windows are clean, I will clean the wheels. I'm not going to film everything because that would be super boring, but you will get a gist of how I like to clean our Caravan. So I'm really looking forward to reading your comments and your stories and your hacks, how to clean your van and what products you use and what tools you use. Caravans have plastic windows and many people are worried about cleaning them. I use a normal domestic window cleaner on our windows, never had any problems. If you are worried, you can always dilute your product. Use a soft cloth, don't use any harsh chemicals or anything abrasive, anything that could scratch your windows. And when you clean your Caravan, it's a brilliant opportunity to inspect it all over, because you clean bit by bit, so you could have a good look at your seals, at your windows. It's also a brilliant opportunity to check your rubber seals around your windows and clean and lubricate them. I talked about it in a separate video, so you can watch it afterwards. And I'm going to get on with my walls and windows and the whole bit. I'm already knackered and I've only done half. I'm finishing this section and I'm going for a drink, but I think this time tea will not do. I think I need Red Bull or some energy drink or really strong coffee. Oh, I don't know. It's hard work. I will sit and admire the section I've done. So this is a really satisfying job. The results are amazing. And looking around our site, sometimes I see a new Caravan which is dirty and it looks absolutely awful. And we have some older vans, but very well maintained. You know, the owners clean them regularly and they look absolutely lovely. So if you want your van to perk up, keep it clean. Keep it sparkling clean. And then age will not matter. If it's in a good shape, it's clean, it's well maintained, it will look lovely and you will cherish it. Okay, I will now cherish my drink. I really need to finish now. I don't have time to finish the van. I've done half, but I need to go to work. Ha ha ha. So I will finish when I'm done. So I'm really sorry. I will not show you the end result in this video, but I will post photos of our lovely clean Caravan on our Facebook and Instagram. So you can check it out there. I hope you enjoyed this video. My 2 tips would be: never ever stand on your roof and never ever use a pressure washer or any harsh chemicals. If you are not sure, use water. You can't go wrong with clean water or car washing products. They will not damage your van for sure, or your chromes. So I hope you will clean your van soon as well. Let me know what are your plans, what products you use, what techniques you use, what tools you use, and how often you clean yours. Enjoy, and don't forget to take a break when you feel you've done enough. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching. And if you would like to see more of me, please subscribe to the channel. This is the best way to show me, hey, more videos, please. See you in the next one, and during a Sunday live stream, 7 p.m. UK time. I hope you will be there. Bye bye.